Hello, I am ASIIM.B and I am going to teach you about Python programming on how to download YouTube videos by using Python programming language. So let's start. So before starting the coding session, I would like to give the brief summary about what we will be doing in this coding. So at first, we'll import the essential libraries, those Python libraries that we need during this programming, and there are some essential libraries that you must install in your system before using into this programming. After that, we'll ask the user to simply input the YouTube link in this programming. After that, we will generate the YouTube object, which consists of various informations such as a name of the video and the duration and its views in the YouTube and many other informations, as well as there will be the content of the link which the user provides here. So let's start. So we'll be required to import one library that is called PyTube. PyTube is basically the library to download the videos, and since it is obsolete for now, as its after support and maintenance has been stopped, and there is another new library which is called PyTube 3, and PyTube 3 is basically the forked out of the original PyTube. So yeah, let's import this this library. Okay, so we'll from PyTube we will import for now we will import the YouTube and another library is the operating system. The operating system library is used to make the destinations to store the video's location. So we can now see that there is one folder videos. So we will be acquiring the current location of where we are using the command to run the programming. For example, I'm running the command here inside the same directory where my code is located, which is in F drive of MySpace Python tasks, and there is one folder YouTube downloader, and inside that I will run my command Python. So when I run Python and I import the library OS, this is just an example how we will get the file locations. So after importing the OS, if we ask the command to get current working directory, then it will give the same file location, same directory locations where I have run my Python code command. So yeah, so we will be using this operating system to get the location, and after that we don't need any other libraries for now. After that, we will set a destination global variable, which is file destinations For example, I will keep the name destination. Okay, so this will be my os.get current working directory, which I have just shown you how it will provide the working directory. Plus I'll concatenate with a string called let's give a single inverted, it will be seen clean. Okay, videos. So this string will be concatenated with the output string provided from get current working directory method, and we will get the working directory of the videos location, which will be stored in destinations folder. Destination variable. So yeah, we have set the file destinations. After that, we will now process to ask the user to get the link, to paste the link, because we are because normally we copy the link from the YouTube and paste it if we want to download. So let's ask and store that link in the variable called link. So in the link, I'll be asking with the message, paste the link here. After that, the user will input the link and the value will be stored in the variable link. So yes, we have now link. So our next step is to create the YouTube object. So to create the YouTube object, there will be some error like connection error or invalid link. For now we will just use try and accept blocks to get the basic view how YouTube videos can be downloaded. So let's write by writing try block, and let's store the YouTube object as in the variable named YouTube object. So how we will generate the YouTube object? We have imported a YouTube library, so we will be using that here, YouTube, and we'll just give the parameter the link of the YouTube video. So after that, what we'll be doing is we will for now let's print the summary, what we can get from this YouTube object. So for example, I will write here summary of the video from the YouTube object. So I will just write here print, and let's say okay, I will write with new, I'll provide a new line first and write summary and print. Okay, let's write what will be the title. Title will be, okay, I'll write here simply I will acquire that title from YouTube object dot, it will be their title. In the same way, I will acquire the information such as durations. I'll simply we can get duration by YouTube object dot durations. I don't know why it's not showing, but oops, sorry, it is length actually. Okay. So these are the informations we can get from YouTube object, and we can check here in this. But first let's finish this block by putting accept, and let's raise if there is no connection, raise connection here, and we'll say For now, simply try again. Okay, so let's see if what information can we get from the link we paste here from the YouTube. So let's run this code. I will simply write Python and name of this Python file, which is YouTube downloader, and it will ask for the link. So for the link, let's see, I have this. Let's copy one of the link. For example, what is this? The movie. Okay, let's copy it. Simply copy link address and we will paste here. Let's see, it is acquiring the data. Okay, now we will get here somebody like the title, World Famous Lover 2021, the release in the top movie, blah blah blah, and we'll get the durations here like this. I think this duration is in seconds, so it is displaying in this format. Okay, so yes, these are the informations that we can acquire from the object which is created after we provide a link to the library YouTube. So now let's proceed to get the content. For the content, let's write something like there's a one thing inside the YouTube object which is called streams. So let's see what we can get in streams. Streams are acquired, so let's see by print option. So we have YouTube object dot, and if we type streams, there is a streams attribute, and if we simply see the streams, then we'll get the output. Let's run code again. Let's paste it. Oops, sorry. Let's paste this code. Copy. I think it's not okay like this. Let's paste like this. What is this? Copy. Paste. And if after I hit enter, now we can see the set of streams in the list. There's a keyword called itag. Itag is just a tag for YouTube to represent the quality of the video. Like if we select the itag of 18, and it will give us the MIME type of MP4 extensions with resolution of 360p and FPS of 30 FPS and many other informations. So we will be using this streams attribute to get the specific video content according to the link. So for now, let's not print this because it's printing very much big informations and getting very messy. Okay, now what I will do is I will filter the data with specific extension. Let's call it MP4, and I will just get the data by itag. So yeah, so first step, I will get the streams filter with MP4. Okay, sorry. So for that, what I will do is I will get yes, let's not go by that too. So I will just simply select YouTube object and YouTube object streams. Instead of MP4, I can also select it by get by itag, which is there is a method called get by itag, and I'll simply hit 18 for now. So what we just saw last time, that if we these are the list of the streams, and if we select any one of the stream, then we'll get the content video of certain properties like that just I have said before. For now, if I select a stream of iTag 18, then I will get the video of 360 pixel of 30 fps, and yes, the MP4 format, MP4 extension. So I don't have to filter this. I can directly get the specific video by just stating the iTag number. So I will just get this iTag number, and what I will do is that I will now download this content, and I will save this content to the destination which we have just preset in the in above code. So after that, we will get the downloaded videos in the directory videos. So let's check it. After that, I will run the code again. Let's clear this messy screen first. I will simply push the command line. I will paste the link of any one video. For example, for now I will take just some short video, because the longer the videos, the more time it will take obviously, and the more we have to wait. For example, it is short video. Okay, I got one short videos. I'll copy this link address and I'll paste here, and it will take some time to download. It has given the summary, which is Yavis Thapa ASIIIM.B. Okay, that's the title of the duration, 152 seconds. And yes, I think the download is complete. Let's check it here. Oh yes, you can see the Yavis Thapa's file is here. So in this way, we can download the videos from YouTube by using the Python programming language. So yes, you can pause this video and practice every steps, and you can also play more with this code. Like you can ask for iTag with the user, not by iTag, but you can just simply request what kind of file do you want, like extensions and resolutions of which quality you want, and many more. It's just a basic of how YouTube video is downloaded using Python programming language. So that's all for this video. Thank you.